Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2025 and 2024. There is not much difference between these tablets. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. They offer 12.2 inches OLED display. Hardware features. These devices are powered by the Kirin chipset and have the same hardware features. Let's compare the camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.2 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.